This new sample letter is getting charge-offs, collections, and repossessions deleted just like this, and like this. And I'm going to show you how to get access to it so you too can knock the credit bureaus out. Man, I'm so excited to share with you what we've been working on, how we've been knocking the credit bureaus out, getting things removed off of Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, leveraging the laws. I want to break everything down, the letters, all the things that we've been doing. All right. So as you can see, this person we was working on, and we're going to talk about this later. But one of the things we've been doing, right? Show you the letter. But as you can see, a 71-point increase, 39-point increase, another 71-point increase. 4 items got removed, 33 ongoing, 1 undisputed, 6 new items added. Pretty sure it's inquiries, but just showing you what it looks like. All right. So the letter, I know that's what you're looking forward to. The letter that we use is this. But before we get into the letter, because I know some people are new. Here is the law, right? The law that we use, right, to make all this possible. 15 USC 1681. Now remember, I'm not a lawyer. I'm just here to show you your rights. So your rights is based off of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. All right. So if you go to 15 USC 1681, and you can do this yourself, and you go to the subchapter, you'll see. But there are specific laws, and let me make this a little bit bigger for you. 15 USC 1681 EB, 15 USC 1681. Let me go back. 15 USC 1681 E, S-2, right? If you go S-2, and there are other specific laws that can help you out as well. C, requirements relating to information contained in consumer reports as well. So and B as well. There are other things, but specifically, if you look at this one, E and then B, right? This one is the catch-all. Accuracy of report. Whenever a consumer report agency, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, anybody else, prepares a consumer report, which is your report, it shall follow reasonable procedure to ensure maximum possible accuracy of the information concerning the individual about whom the report relates. All right. So this one is the catch-all of all laws, right? So the accuracy of the reporting, this is the reason why you're disputing. This is the reason why, unless you're a victim of identity theft or something else, this is one of the main reasons why you will be disputing the accounts on your report and how they're reporting, all right? So the letter that we've been using is this specific letter right here. So as you can see, here we go. So as you can see right here, first name, middle initial, last name, address, right? And then city, state, zip code, put today's date, hey, Experian, or TransUnion, or Equifax, right? All 3 credit bureaus. I was looking over my report and I noticed these accounts listed below are not ensuring maximum possible accuracy according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Delete accounts listed below for a violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. It's very simple. You don't got to overcomplicate this. But the thing you're going to do is add this right here. All right. You're going to add a screenshot of your account, right? So when you get access to your credit report, and I'll have the link in the description so you can get access to your report, you're going to basically screenshot your report and you're going to see the inaccuracies that I always talk about, right? And you're going to see the inaccuracy of your credit report. So when you look at the high balance, we look at the date last active, date reported, date open, close date, last payment, and any other thing that's inaccurate on your report, you're going to screenshot it, right? And you're going to put it on the letter. Now, here is what you want to say. You're going to put the account name and account number. So you're going to put the account name and the account number right here. This account is not showing maximum possible accuracy according to 15 USC 1681 EB. The open date last active is not accurate. Delete account immediately for violation of this law. And this, of course, you're going to fix this because, like I said before, something is going to be different. So you can put your credit, like a lot of things is going to be different when it comes to the reporting, right? So you'll fix this up according to what's on your report. And this letter has been working. And we've been sending or creating letters on people's behalf and sending it over to them, and they send them off, and they've been getting results, as you can see. So that's the law. Now, how you get access to this letter is you'll go to freesecretletter.com and get access to this letter, right? You'll click here, fill out instructions. It'll email it to you. Takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get the email. Now, check your spam mail, right? And then next, what it's going to do is I'm going to tell you then to click on this link right here so you can get access to your secret credit report. I call it a secret credit report. It'll allow you to get access to your secret credit report. All right. Hold up. Now, if you don't have time to do none of this, I got something that's completely for free. I know it's crazy. We'll do everything for you. We'll fix your credit, everything for you. But the only thing you're going to have to pay for is credit monitoring, because we have to give you month to month updates on what's going on. If that's something that you want for us to do, all you have to do is click the link in the comments, schedule a free onboarding call with me and my team, and we'll get this process started. All right. So I'll see you on the onboarding call, or go get access to the free secret letter.